إذا حصلت الاستطاعة وجب المبادرة إلى أداء الحج. If the ability and capacity is acquired, then it becomes obligatory to go immediately to perform the Hajj. Remember this instantaneous we spoke about. في عام حصولها, in the year in which you acquired your ability. Now you have to go this year. فتأخر في الخروج للوثوق بإدراكها مع التأخير. Remember, there was a caravan going first Dhul Hajj, there was a caravan going third Dhul Hajj. So he said, I'm going to go with third Dhul Hajj because that caravan is going to take me, is going to secure my arrival in Makkah. However, it did not happen. فتأخر في الخروج. He got delayed للوثوق بإدراكها مع التأخير, because he was sure that he's going to go with the caravan of third Dhul Hajj and he will arrive in Makkah. He delayed. However, it appeared that he was not able to. The caravan cancelled. They did not have enough registration. They did not have enough visa. They were not granted visa, whatever. So now the caravan, first caravan left. Second caravan, which he was going to go with, he was sure that he would go with them. They will secure his Hajj, but some accidental problem happens. ولكن اتفق أنه لم يدركه بسبب ذلك كان معذورا في تأخيره, because it was not in his hand, it was out of his hand, so he's excused, and the Hajj will not be stuck on him most apparently. You see, so say this Sistani says to me, no, Hajj khalas, Hajj will befall. So next year we will see if there is ability, again we will start the chain of prerequisites and the obligation. But he says, وَهَكَذَا الْحَالِ. Some scholars, they said, no, the Hajj will stay wajib. Next year he will try to go there. Say this, he says, no, it was not his. It appeared that he did not make his calculations that the second caravan will close down and whatever. So he would have gone with the first caravan. So this is no problem. The obligation will not be fixed. Al-Adhar. Most apparently, that means some scholars, when say this is al-Adhar, that means apparent from the evidences, is that this is the ruling. The others, they chose the ruling which is less apparent from the evidences. What I have chose, it is more apparent from the evidences, because evidence, dalil has zahir and batin. So what does it appear from the dalil? This appears. Some scholars say no, this, to me, most apparent is this one. So that is على الأظهر. وهكذا الحال في سائر موارد حصول الحج and إدراك الحج. And the same is applied in all the other means of Hajj, acquiring the means of Hajj. If inability happens to perform the Hajj due to accidental causes, unpredicted causes, external, beyond the control of a person, then the Hajj will not be obligatory.